Hello everyone, welcome back to The Wire Gaming. This is Mike speaking. I just finished doing the second part in our introductory series to Satisfactory, and I'm recording this really to do some technical troubleshooting. I noticed the first introduction of the series, there was a bit of an audio echo throughout the video. Thought I fixed it on the second one, but it sounds like at the end of that recording, the echo came back. So I made some changes to my software. I'm still learning things as I go here, but I'm going to go and play this game for a bit, see if the audio comes back. This really isn't so much an introductory or teaching you how to do anything more than just some gameplay video. But with that, let's get started. I believe what we have here, oh okay, we got plenty of capacity right now for power, 40 megawatts, and I'm only using 8. But what I want to do is, I believe this series of constructors here is making cables, which it is, and those cables need copper. So we're going to go and set up the copper node to automatically feed into here as well, just like we did with the iron. To do that, we're going to need some supplies. We are going to need some power cables, which means we're going to need cable and copper wire. We got a bunch of that. Let's go here, take the stack of cables out. Done. What do we need to do? We need one of these. We need to go get a miner MK1 to actually pull the resources out of the ground. We're going to need a whole bunch of iron plates to make the conveyor belt to go from the miner MK1 over here to the smelter. And a portable miner, we should have several of those on the node already, so we shouldn't have trouble making that. I think this is currently making plates. It is, 100 plates. Perfect. And we'll continue making plates. So I don't even have to go build anything for that. I just need to figure out where that copper node went. Let's see here. I think we just did the closest one, right? I think that's the case. Let's go this way. Oh, that's right. This one actually goes up and around, and I go on this plateau here. I'm gonna go collect some leaves as I'm running through. Let's check my inventory. It's pretty full as is, which isn't great, but we'll make it work. Go. And here they are. Okay, so we have a whole bunch of these guys. We actually have 7. May have a problem here, because I don't think I have enough inventory to bring all that stuff back, but I do have enough resources to make a storage unit. So for now, we're just going to make temporary storage. That anymore. Let's just drop off everything we don't need. Actually, let's drop off what makes sense, which is going to be all this stuff here. Go. And not going to be able to do anything with that. Just drop off you. Actually, I don't know why I'm carrying around all this limestone. Let's drop that off for now as well. And these poles can be mixed together. We'll hold a stack of limestone just in case we need it for something. We'll take that. It takes up 2 boxes. This is going to take up 2. You're going to take up 2. You're going to take up 2 slots as well. We'll just dump all that in here. Let's sort this. The sorting tool is actually pretty nice. So now I know all my extractors are right here. Then all my copper ores right here. I don't have to go looking around my inventory too much to figure out all that is. Pick you up and pick you up. Good. Alright, let's go and make the miner MK1. Yeah, it only goes in one spot. I guess we'll do it like this for now. I kind of want to have it pointing this way and just go down, which might be an option I can do as well. Well, for now I'll do it here, so I may decide later on that I just may want to smelt the ore right here on site. Alright. So now we're going to need conveyor belts. Let's do the normal as you walk thing here. Yeah, I don't like how it goes under the ground, so I'm just going to do this instead. Wish I'd cut right across. Where is the... It's way over there. It's pretty top of the rock. Oh, it's getting cut off. There we go. Just feeling my own personal need to make this look somewhat realistic. And I ran out of plates. Alright, that's okay though. Alright, we'll go and set up the power poles as well. And I'll just have those just follow this conveyor belt. Can I go underneath? I can go underneath. That's going to be a problem later, but for now. Let's see, do power. Actually, for this, maybe it would be better to do this way. How far can I go? Oh boy. There we go. Too long. Okay. This is not too long. Alright, I'm going to take it off from that pole. Maybe I should put the conveyor belt up here instead. But then this goes straight to the grid. Alright, come back to you later. Grab. Grab. Alright. Down we go. Yeah, I may have to move this conveyor belt. Oh boy. Okay, good. See how many plates were made while I was gone. 100. That's a lot. Oh, I also forgot to hit number 2. I want you to connect to one of these guys. Oh, you guys are all full. That's not great. Oh, you're not full. The wire's too long. Okay. Let's put it over here for now, on the other side of the building. Still too long? Okay, let's put it here. And I don't have concrete, so I can't finish that. Alright. Let's get some concrete. Let's get this thing attached to the power grid. I'm just gonna finish the stack. It doesn't take too long to do this. Yep. Oh, and it just so happens that based on these, we lost power. Do I have any more? I do not. We got wood though. Wood can be used for fuel. Alright, hopefully we got enough fuel to spread around. If not, this isn't going to go very far. Wood. Go. power source, connect to the power grid here. Alright. So that should be powering the miner building right now. We just need to go and make sure the conveyor belt gets back to base. And we're going to go to the far end. Is that too far? Floor's too steep. And now it's too long. Okay. Go. And pop that right in there. We're running out of fuel, so I need to collect some more leaves and such. Oh, it looks like it's coming. Here comes the copper. Alright, cool. So in a little bit that'll be good to go. How much space do I have left in my inventory? Let me probably grab some of this stuff, bring it back with me. Stay on. There we go. Let's run the conveyor belt. It goes a little bit faster. What we can do right now is drop a stack of copper ore in. Drop off the auto miners in here for now. Portable miners, sorry. And I think what I want to do is I'll make a storage device just to hold extra ores and stuff that I'm not using at the moment. Right, we'll put it right next to the workbench here. This, and we'll just drop off all the ore for now. Alright. Give me some more space. We'll head back up, collect the rest of the stuff that's in the storage. And break down that storage container because I don't think we're going to need it anymore for now. Take off. Here we go. And we can just go and grab this as well. We don't need that here anymore. Just chugging away. Making 30 units per minute. Not great, but not terrible. So the next issue now is energy, because we need to have organic material to go and fuel the biofuel, the bio generators. So what we're gonna have to do is figure out a way to make that. I mean, we can do it by hand, but I think if we can automate it, that'll make things a little bit better. so. I guess the limestone's technically something to put in there as well. Drop off the portable miners in our little chest over here. Boop. And then start contemplating how we're gonna automate making fuel. Well, let's make some fuel by hand first. Here you go, biomass wood and biomass leaves. That's all I got for that. That was less than exciting. So yeah, the biomass should burn a bit more efficiently than the other fuel types. That is the noise of the power grid going down. So let's some fuel. What we're gonna do is turn this back on. Now it's up and running again. With that wood I took, I'm gonna go make more biofuel, biomass. And with that biomass, I'm gonna take out the leaves in the other one. Go. I can make a little bit more biofuel with that. Leaves. There we go. There we got some biomass fuel. On standby. What else do we got here? We got this guy here who's not making anything anymore because he's full up. Which means this is gonna get full up, which means that this ore is not gonna go anywhere. So let's do this. Let's go make another storage container. We'll line it up this way. We'll go and put my flashlight on. And let's put a conveyor belt going from there to here. Yeah, now the plates can go into the storage device for later use. And we can keep making more. So the same deal here. Yeah, we're full. I need plates. Ironically enough, they're being made here. So let's go to grab the full set. Just like, come on. That. And there. Now the storage cable. Storage container will start holding cables. Here we go. Away that goes. So I'll come back later and I'll have a nice hoard of plates and cables. Now the question is how to go and set up something that can automatically give us the biomass. We can't fill these generators manually, but we can at least get a storage container that can hold the biomass not too far away instead of us having to make it by hand. So let's do that. We're going to want, what are we going to want? We're going to need a container to hold the biomass. Or at least one for input. And then one for output. So the idea will be we can drop off all our leaves or whatever in this container. And then it will go into a constructor and it will go and take those leaves and turn it into biofuel and then export it out into the other container here. So I'm going to need a constructor. The constructor's going to need reinforced plate, 2 of them. I got a bunch of plates. I think reinforced plate also needs screws, which I can make by hand for now. Here we go. Oh, actually I have to make the reinforced plate. Okay. And 2. Done. Hey, doggo. constructor. Let's do it sideways, why not? Go. Let's do placement. Good for that. Good for that. So we need to go and tell this to do what? Either wood or leaves. I think we're gonna get a lot more leaves right now than wood. So we'll tell it to build biomass from leaves. Then the only other thing I need to do is connect this to the power grid as well. Which I think I'm gonna make another bar here. Eventually we're gonna have to go clean up all these power lines. Let's see how much power are we using? We're using 20 to 30 megawatts out of our 40. We're getting up there, but we should be good for now. Let's drop off that. We can drop off the biomass here, because that's where the rest of the biomass is going to go. And now, I guess we'll go and collect some leaves. Do some exploring too while we're at it. So if we're gonna explore, we should explore for something. Maybe another copper ore, because the one we have is pretty impure right now. That's the one we went to. So over here for 600. All right, let's go this way. What is this? This looks more like a. Nope, nope. I think I made my hub right outside of pretty much like a walkway down to the lower levels. So let's do that. And do some exploring. Before I go too far, let's equip my zapper. Grab all the leaves we can possibly muster. Where's that next copper? 400 that way. Alright. We'll head on that way, but first let's check this out. What is over here on the right? Nuts. Grab. What is this? It's a big, oversized mushroom or something? Let's see. I hear something. See some of those plants that do the fireflies. Oh, okay, so this is just a kind of cool looking. Well, there's some extra rocks in here. What is this? Okay, mine this? No, this is just gonna be barnacles and clams, that sort of stuff. All right. Pick up some more leaves. This way, and there's a waterfall. That doesn't go down too far. Cool. There it is, 200 this way. Yeah, this looks like it. We got It's a normal. Oh, this is limestone. We don't want limestone. We gotta keep going. There it is. There's the defender. Oh, it's the same spitter. We're seeing a lot of the same animals here. There it goes. Snag that. This is a normal copper ore. That's not bad. Alright, so if we need more, we got a normal node right here. That's not bad. Let's head back to the hub. Later on in the game, we get vehicles, so it makes traversing a little bit faster. Here you doggo. Back up the ramp, and hopefully the hub's right on top of this little incline here. There it is. Alright. This is going good. We got 96 for that. We have 19 for that. That's not great. So what I should be able to do now is in here, drop off all of the leaves I just collected. They're gonna make their way into here. It's gonna use its robotic arms to create organic material. There it comes. Biomass. Biomass goes right into the container. 13, 14, 15. So earlier on, I would probably usually get once you find a way to get wood more consistently, maybe set up a similar system to this, where instead of it just being leaves, you go and put wood into the container, and then have the wood get processed out. But right now, since we're doing everything by hand, leaves seems to be the way to go. Right, we got 25 of these. Do that. Now this generator is getting kind of low. We'll go and drop off 25 of those. I'll drop off the rest of my personal storage here. Alright. Over here I'll drop off some of the ore I have at hand. And I think we're good to go. Now we've got some copper to automatically come in, and we also have a way to go and make more efficient fuel for our generators to keep everything moving. I think this is a good place to stop. Like I said, this is more of an audio test, but I know some of you have been watching this series and want to see how this base gets built out. Eventually I'll go and organize this a little bit more, but right now we can see pretty much how everything kind of works. Again, thanks for watching. I hope the audio track works a bit better. I'm going to go and check that out now, and I'll see you guys next video. Take care. Bye.